was just sent this 90-piece set for Cricuts. This thing's awesome because I have a Cricut and I like to do different crafting. And this set would be great for beginners or just people that are needing to update some stuff or get things that they don't have. Because there's a lot in here that I don't have. You actually get two mats. You've got a light grip and then the standard grip. I'm just going to use the standard grip for my purposes today. And you've got your transfer tapes. Okay, so we've got our vinyl. We have glitter heat transfer. You've got sticker paper. And you've got your stencil sheets. We are actually just going to use our permanent adhesive so you can see how these weeding tools work to pull it off of just a standard vinyl. And I have a little flower that we're going to use, but I'm going to show you all the different colors that kind of come in here. It is a glossy finish on these, and I'm going to pick this bright pink because I think this is really fun. So we're going to do it with bright pink. All right, so now that we have that cut, we will just pull this off, and this comes off real easy with that mat. And then I'm going to use the provided scissors here to cut out my design. The scissors cut real nice. Then we're going to use our weeding tools to then be able to get our flower out. And this is coming off really easy. The weeding tools are picking it right up, and the paper is just coming right out. So it feels like a nice quality paper. All right, I've got my flower all cut out, and I cut out a piece of transfer tape. So we will use the transfer tape to then get the flower off and see the effectiveness of the tape. So that just peeled right off, and that was nice. And we will put this over the flower, and then we can use our tool to smack this down, or you could use this one if you chose to use that one instead. But they both kind of flatten it out for you. Then we will see how it comes off. That was super simple to get off. So then once you have this, then you'd be able to transfer that onto whatever you want to have, whether it's a wall or decoration or frame or whatever. But now you've got your transfer tape there, and then you would just put that on there and it would peel right off. Some of the other things that are in this case, you've got your glitter. So you can see all the different colors of glitter in here. Your sticker paper is all white sticker paper, so you could actually just copy on this, and then you'd have your stickers. So you can make your own stickers, which is a really nice little thing. So this is a really nice set, like I said, for any beginner, intermediate, even somebody that's done this for a long time, because this has got everything you need to get started with a Cricut.